Go ahead, Mickey.
Can you give Erin another kiss for Mommy? She's sitting down. She wants a kiss. Zane. Can you give Erin a kiss? Can you give Erin a kiss, Zane? Zane. Earth to Zane. Something else. She's sitting in her chair waiting for a kiss, Zane. Can you give Erin a kiss? Zane. Erin would like a kiss. Give her a kiss. Erin, can you give Zane a kiss?
I broke out a bracelet.
What did you take from her?
Oh, okay. Good idea.
Yeah, none of us should have those. Can you give that back to Mommy, please? Put it back on the water. There we go.
Good job, Aaron.
Okay, you need to swallow the carrots first. Ew. Ew, now look, there's all kinds of carrots in there. Yuck. Yes. You got too many carrots in your mouth? Now it's a carrot bottle.